You're now tuned in to radiodr.co.za.
You are now tuned in to Reporting Live Again on radiodr.co.za.
No, it's a trap.
Okay, let's say if the shit was fighting, I'd be sensei. Niggas talking too much, that's the next say. No one does it better, that's the best way. The best way. Let's say if the shit was fighting, I'd be sensei. Niggas talking too much, that's the next say. No one does it better, that's the best way. Yeah. What's the move? Ask my niggas what's the move. They say come, we got some bats, and they wanna bust the move. Muscle proof, you the realest, what's the proof? Everybody is a hero, or they tell, so what's the truth? Fuck a papa doc, he ain't got no plans to be with us. This my castle, and I ain't gon' fucking share it. Talking negativity, I ain't gon' fucking hear it. They say money bring the bitches, that's just how I let you bear it. Yeah, she likes to climb my Eiffel Tower like it's Paris. Daddy put you on my nigga, I was up by merit. It was 3 years ago and I was in the hearing. You look like you like to spend a couple hours in the mirror. Okay, let's say if this shit was fighting, I'd be sensei. Niggas talking too much, that's the next say. No one does it better, that's the best way. Best way. Let's say if this shit was fighting, I'd be sensei. Niggas talking too much, that's the next say. No one does it better, that's the best way. Yeah. What's the plan? Homie, tell me what's the plan? We gon' play on something dope. Touch the mama, bust a dance. Just advance, made a fall with just a glance. Yeah, we always come prepared, but we also trust and chance, dog. Say my name, I got juice like I'm the Beatle. I don't buy it unless you show me fucking proof like I am Vito. I don't fuck with girls that's still in school, I'm not no pedo. Otherwise I'm going snack all on that booty like I'm Tino. I've been rapping dope since back when I was in the Speedo. The spirit is a bomb, I get my power from my people. Stack your money taller than the tower, that's your freedom. Had a choking on the blunt, that shit was louder than a scream. Okay, let's say if this shit was fighting, I'd be sensei. Niggas talking too much, that's the next say. No one does it better, that's the best way. Best way. Let's say if this shit was fighting, I'd be sensei. Niggas talking too much, that's the next say. No one does it better, that's the best way. Yeah.
Reporting live again, it's your boy Umche. Chilling with the dog, the main man himself, Inje Andrew Babut. My player partner, my brother, my loved one. Celestial Mike holding it down again, my nigga.
Oh, yeah, what it do, man. Celestial Mike in the hands of God.
How am I? Shout out to Indomzala, man. Reporting live again. Deeply rooted. Shout out to Silo, wherever he at. Shout out to Wonko Mesha holding it down. Shout out to Zonky Indomzala. Shout out to my ex, no Coco, no auntie. Bonke. My nigga, first of all, dog, let him know who Celestial Mike is and where the nigga is from, dog, for those who don't know, which is a very few. But for those who don't know, let him know what's going on.
Oh, wait. Celestial Mike, the Mike in the hands of God, basically was me somewhere too. That's the government name. That's what I did, man.
Oh, I tell you, my cousin.
Yeah.
You my brother, you my loved one.
Hell, you know what it is. And I'm from Chesterville, dog. I was born in Mlazi, but I don't remember that.
Logish.
Showcase. But like, I was very young when I left, so I grew up in Chesterville. And yeah, man, that's when I started this whole madness.
This whole madness. Next, dog, let him know when you started. Oh, matter of fact, let him know when you dropped your first project, dog. Because this motherfucker's been around, dog. With all sabotage putting me on. Shout out to my nigga SBO. put me on Celestial Mikey, dog, and this nigga's been popping up, holding it down, fucking around, fucking it up. Let him know, dog, when you drop that first shit, and let him know about Hand of God.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, man. Yo, I've been rapping for a long ass time. But I basically started just doing live stuff, you know what I mean? Like, on stage a lot. Poetry sessions, things like that. You know, DT, a lot there. Playing a guitar and shit.
Nigga, what?
Yeah.
Who Antonio took Antonio Banderas Desperado, dog, was a look shit, oh shit, dog.
You know, yeah, dog. Playing a guitar and that, and then I started getting into producing because, like, I wanted to make certain types of songs, you know what I mean, and couldn't get like niggas who were making that like from scratch. Like I couldn't explain a beat to somebody, so I had to learn how to do it myself. And then I started making beats, and I made songs, but I didn't drop them. You know what I mean? But then I was out there still performing. Yeah, I was getting that twerk. You know what I'm saying? Always been about that. And then, yeah, man, that's I met people like Osamo, and a couple of other niggas actually. I think there's MJ on that song, but I never met him. I just met Sabo.
I'm sorry, he's a hustling motherfucker.
He's a hard-working ass motherfucker. Yeah, but then I kept trying to find the right sound, because I didn't want to get something out there that's not, like, I mean,
That's not you.
yeah, when it comes to the rap stuff, you know what I'm saying? Boy's always been dope. You know, but when it comes to making a good song, I had to get confident in that. And then I dropped the Red Bull project, I think it was 2015.
And that shit was everywhere, bro.
Yeah, I dropped that. Yeah, and then from there on, dog, shit just started, happening, I think.
Cause this like, bro, I see you popping up no Sanele, popping up no Kuli China, popping up your guitars. I went down like shit, my nigga. You a hustling motherfucker, dog. I ain't gang with Celestial show.
Yeah,
Hey, damn.
I guess when I dropped the Red Bull project, you know what happens? I think you can be good and all that, but what happens is people start taking you seriously when you start taking yourself seriously. So I guess that kind of showed a couple of people that a couple of the right people that this nigga's trying to do something. And then after that. After the Red Bull project, started working on some stuff with dope artists. That's my clique.
Shout out to all love. Let them know who's in dope. I know Script is in dope. I think no Script is last week. Yeah, sure is.
Script, Amp, Serious, Canis Major, Babs Rilla, Audio Sims.
Shout out to your boy Audio Sims.
Yeah, that's the producer. Yeah. Am I forgetting anyone?
Hagantin Bangage. It clicked to come all over, man. But from what you mentioned, I know Scripts, I know Sims. Yeah, showcase.
Yeah. So and then I started working on the Hand of God EP. The EPs. It's a series of songs that are broken down into 6 at a time. Just so we can work on the songs fully, like give you proper songs. Like
would you believe me if I say anything about you all day? That's like my shit, dog.
Yeah,
That's my shit, dog. That's my shit. You voice said get my shit, dog. That's my shit.
Yeah. That's what the fuck's going on.
Who's doing the backing vocal on that shit, dog?
It's Space.
Dog. That's
the chef, bro. That's the chef.
Yeah, I think I'ma use that song. Ngifuna ipizza leyo ngina ingoma mina ngizoneza usika. Hey bro, that song, you gonna hear this shit. Hey boy, what the fuck is going on? Dog, damn, that's that shit.
Yeah.
It's my shit.
Yeah, that's from the first EP, Hand of God, part 1.
Yeah, near Brett song.
Yeah.
Track 1, are you getting a spin kick? I'm getting a spin kick. Like, dog, that EP, I think it's 2018, I guess. Dropped at 2018. Or was it this year?
18, 17, this year I dropped
Hand of God 2. Yeah. Well, I got the Hand of God last year.
Yeah.
Dog,
Yeah, I think
those tracks, ha. Like, the EP still survives in my phone, but what the fuck's going on? Personally, I want to hear more of that musical shit from Celestial Mike as a nigga, dog. Hey boy. But Fitz, he's all that gang. What the fuck is going on? Hey, gang.
And then I just dropped Hand of God EP 2 a couple of months ago, actually. Yeah, that's a bit different from the first one, but you know, still, cause.
How was the reception for the first one?
First one reception was great, man. It was pretty cool, but I think I liked it for the second one a bit more. That's, you know, I don't know. It seems to have reached further than the first one.
Sure.
I guess that's what I expected. I mean, that's what I would like. You know.
Okay, that's the plan.
Yeah.
That should always be the plan, man.
Yeah. So I'm gonna have another Hand of God as well.
Before the year ends or next year?
I haven't decided that. Because
still riding the wave.
Yeah. Yeah, and also just trying to find the right combination of songs. You know? Because I mean, I record music like a lot all the time when I come to the studio, and then I'm gonna record as much as I can, and then we have all the songs there, and then I need to find the ones that feel like the ones that
a cohesive project.
Yeah, but also maintain a variation of sounds. I don't want an EP that sounds the same, like every song sounding the same. So all the songs have a similar.
A sort of journey almost, like sonically, which is always a good project, but you don't want some monotone project, dog. You want it to have emotion and depth and highs and lows.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, but for now, both Hand of God EP1, EP2 on iTunes, Google Play, all those places, Tidal, whatever. Yeah, I mean, Celestial Mike, it's very easy to find. I don't know, right? Like on anything, there's only one in the world.
Wicked kids.
Don't bite the name.
Oh no, hey, but it's
very hard name to work with, so don't put yourself in it.
Tell us production-wise who you've worked with regards to Hand of God and Hand of God 2.
Production-wise, Hand of God 2. It's me and Audio Sims on most of the beats. Let me see. Brett songs, Audio Sims.
Boom, bang, boom, bang, do. You gonna get spin kick like Shandy's.
Audio Sims. What the fuck's going on? It's Audio Sims. It's track 2, right? Bendo, that was me. 4 was Loyal. That was Audio Sims. Which one was 5? D Pockets is 6. That's me. What song am I forgetting from that EP? The song I'm forgetting. Okay. And EP2, track 1 was what? I Got You. That's me. And then track 2 is A Bitch I Don't Like Vodka. That's me. Grammy Grams, yeah. And then track 3 is Essay, that's Audio Sims. Track 4 is Off the Top, that's Audio Sims. Track 5 is Fuck You Pay Me, that's Audio Sims. And then track 6 is Time, that's me.
I went of God 3 5 5 no mjaping. Go find them japing man. Go fucking logi shipping man.
Actually, no, we don't leak.
Our photo exposed.
You don't leak information. But yeah, definitely. Yeah, because I I think plus on this one might have some of T-Bag stuff as well. Oh, but that's the engineering part though. Like that's T-Bag all the way. Like
Apollo T-Bag mix engineer. Hey, I'm saying,
he mixed the whole thing. He mastered the whole thing. Like that's who worked on that. Yeah. And then did I have a feature on the first one?
No, it's a trap.
I don't think there are any features in the first one, dog. But it's safe, but it's such a dope musical project, bro. I like it when artists make music and they don't have anything to prove. It's just their music. You know what I mean? That's when an artist is always at their best and they make some classic shit, dog. Like, what the fuck's going on? It's classic. The Brad song is classic as fuck, dog. I feel like we need more. Like, are there like any visuals to like the first one, dog?
To the first one, no. I haven't shot any visuals yet. Visuals I had,
not direct.
For a single that I had, Medicine. That also was just another part. That did. I didn't even expect anything. I just made the song and then we played it at the club once and then started playing at the club a whole lot of times. Yeah, because that was
shout out to Wobbly.
Actually, yeah, shout out to Wobbly. That wasn't in a project. That was just a song that was floating in the air, you know. At least and then after that, obviously started getting stuff more organized. You know what I mean? From that, saw the possibilities, and then got stuff organized. I guess for me, the things happen in stages. Like when I first found the musical footing. Like I was rapping, I was doing that, but I felt like everything was all over until the first project, until the Red Book project. And then I felt like, okay, cool. Now I've got
a sound.
Yeah, I've got like direction. I have control over. It's like when superheroes discover their superpowers.
Well, Super Celeste.
And then they don't have, and then they don't know how to control it. It's all over the place. That was like that point. And then after that, they keep evolving. So every EP is almost like an evolution, I guess.
And my nigga, the whole city is rooting for you, bro. I got Nkuluma no call and you've had movie hop SA like a couple of months back, dog. My nigga, people are loving it, dog. Hand of God sounds refined as fuck and it's dope, right? And you're performing like fucking crazy, dog. Yeah, bro. Shout out to Ryan with the Roots Up. I see you working with them a lot, dog. They're holding it down and they're putting you on, dog. Yeah, Uyabangena, dog. Ha ha ha. Uyabangena the right way, dog. Damn. Uyabangena the right way, dog. Oh man. But we need more visuals, dog.
Yeah. I am working on that.
I actually wanted to do a video for you get a bag.
Sure.
With AK and K-Lab. Oh my gosh. I want to do a video for that shit. Oh my gosh. Gang Revenge, MJ. Directed by MJ. Get a bag, gang, dog. It's on a revenge. My bro. How am I, dog? Damn. But I come back to continue. That's what
Actually, I've got also other stuff though on the side, some stuff with T-Bag from T-Bag's his other projects, and then I've been working on an EP, on a project with Loki. I can't call it an EP anymore. It's too many songs now.
Shout out to Loki, a hustling motherfucker. Loki, a hustling motherfucker. Shout out to Trophies. I got a track there, Champions.
Shout out to Loki Loco. Yeah, man. Did some stuff with Lungelo as well. Lungelo Manzi.
Lungelo's dope. Lungelo is a motherfucker. I actually had him on the first episode of Reporting Live again. Shout out to my nigga Libra Gang OVO.
Lucifer. Yeah, bruh.
Reporting Live again. It's your boy MJ. Shout out to the CEO, CeeLo, Deeply Rooted, Radio DR. Subscribe to that Apple podcast thing, which is the shit. Shout out to all over. Shout out to all Queen Babe. Name terms all of. Continue. But dog, let us know about like fuck. How did you link up with Ryan, dog, and the whole Roots Up team? Cause back on a dog, like damn, bro, like I feel like you're almost one of the regular artists there, dog.
Yeah. How did I link up with Ryan? I don't remember now. But I think I was with T-Bag. I don't know where he saw me though.
Oh, you saw you performing.
Yeah. I think it was something like that. Yeah.
Shout out to Ryan, dog. That guy's holding it down. But Roots Up, it's like, in terms of like Durban, if you're not at Dinga Max or your Artisan Lounge, like in town, you're probably at a Roots Up event, bruh.
Okay.
That's that nigga.
Yeah.
So hand of God, so can we expect any visuals? We need more visuals, bruh. Yeah, it's full on bonus Celeste.
You should expect visuals. I think that should always be expected. As to when you should expect them, don't ask me that. You will see some visuals. You might see some visuals that are from the EP, or you might see some visuals that are not from the EP. You know what I mean? Because when it comes to things like that as well, sometimes I don't know, the way it works, the way things come together. You know what I mean? It's not the way
you would expect.
Yeah, exactly. It's not the way. Like the other day, we shot a video with Mel, but it was we were at the spot with Loki and his boys there. It was Percy and everybody. Shout out to the boys.
Nectar Music
Showcase. I'm an orange.
Shout out to all of them, man. Holding it down wherever they at, man.
Yeah, man. But basically, we were just chilling in, and nigga had a camera, and then we were like, we picked the song, and we were like, okay, we're gonna shoot a video for this, and we put it up on YouTube. The song ain't even dropped yet.
But the video is.
It's not yet. It's on YouTube, so go get it. You must go get it. It's on YouTube.
It's YouTube, dog, is like the best hustle because. Nakhona futhi you get those views, and even if the people can't necessarily get the song for free, like if they're not on Spotify or iTunes already, they can just holler at like the YouTube thing, dog. Which is dope. It's great traffic. It's a great platform. They see you, and those numbers always help, dog, in everything.
It's highly near it. Yeah, but that's as far as though any actually planned visuals. I can't really talk about plans. I don't think it's something. I don't know. Maybe I'm superstitious or something.
Showcase talk.
You're now tuned in to radiodr.co.za.
You are now tuned in to Reporting Live Again on radiodr.co.za.